Suprabhat. Today we are going to learn about Avogadro's number. What is Avogadro number? In last session we have seen that to match, suppose there is one grape and one banana. Those are to be matched. So 12 grapes will be matched with 12 bananas. However, number is same but mass of 12 grapes will be very small. Suppose if one grape weighs 5 grams, then it will be only 60 grams, and one banana it weighs nearly 50 grams, 10 times heavier, and it will be 600 grams. That is 60 grams of grapes contain 12 grapes and 600 grams of bananas contain 12 bananas. That means if we take such a number, in that case number of molecules will be same, and that is what Avogadro's number is. In last lesson we have studied mole. What is mole? Molecular mass expressed in grams, that is mole. 1 mole of a compound is the mass of that substance in grams, equal in magnitude to its molecular mass. The SI unit is mole. This is the definition, or molecular mass of that substance expressed in grams is 1 mole, and every one mole of any substance contain a fixed number of atoms. For example, 1 mole of H2 is equal to 2 gram. 1 mole of O2 is equal to 32 gram, and both contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Number of molecules present in these 32 gram and 2 gram is same. This is oxygen, bigger oxygen, and its atoms are bigger. It is 1 mole. Its mass is 32 gram, and it is hydrogen. It's smaller molecule. Its mass, if is 1 mole, it is hydrogen, it is O2, and its mass is 2 gram, and 2 gram of hydrogen will have same number of molecules as much in 32 grams of oxygen. That is what mole concept, and this number was discovered by Avogadro, and therefore this number is denoted by N and said as Avogadro's number. What is this? This is Avogadro number. Avogadro. What is it? It is Avogadro's number. So if we are able to find molecular mass, then we are able to find number of moles as well as number of molecules present in that substance. And it will be very easy. How many molecules are present in 9 gram of water? 9 gram. Until now you may have memorized what is molecular mass of water. It is 18 gram. 18 Dalton. Therefore, 1 mole of water is equal to 18 gram. Thus, 9 gram, number of moles in 9 gram, 9 upon 18, that gives us 0.5 moles. Now, number of molecules present. Number of molecules present in 0.5 mole of water is equal to 0.5 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, that is equal to 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. That means 9 gram of water contain 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water. Similarly, we can solve how many molecules of H2SO4 in 49 gram of sample. In 49 gram of H2SO4. Now let's find H2SO4 molecular mass table. H2SO4 constituent element. HSO atomic mass 132 60. Number of atoms it is 2, it is 1, it is 4. And what is it? 3 into 4. 3 into 4. That gives us 1 into 2, 2. 32 into 1, 32. And 64 is 64. That is equal to 98 Dalton. Okay. Shall I erase? So, 1 mole of H2SO4 is equal to 98 Dalton. Therefore, 98 gram mole gram is equal to 49 upon 98 is equal to 0.5 mole. Just now we have found any substance. If it is 0.5 mole, it will contain 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So, 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. 0.5 mole is equal to question mark 0.5 mole of H2SO4 anything is equal to 49 gram is equal to 0.5 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, that is equal to 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So, it is 0.5 mole and number of molecules is 3.011 into 10 to the power 23. Now try to solve question number 7 from exercise.